Today we're searching a top secret waterfall. But first, we're buying swimsuits.
Ooh, we got some nice options.
Fake fish.
This is the color I got last time. Whoa!
What?
I have to get this. Let's see if this fits.
Yeah, we gotta get this.
Wow, look at him.
What's gonna look best with this though?
I think that's it, dude. I think that's the move.
I'm just too shy.
You got my game on this GD. Do you know what you're wearing? Please believe Steve. So we can get roasted. Hey, I broke my ankle dancing.
Wait a second. This isn't a swimsuit. It's a wetsuit. I feel like 20 pounds heavier with this on. Let's check out the first feature of this waterfall. Follow me. Now we're gonna swim behind this little secret waterfall. We'll use this so you guys can watch. All right, let's climb in there.
Bob is getting in my way.
I'm under a waterfall! That's so fun. I'm doing the slide.
This suit fits me really well. I definitely got the right size. Where am I?
Comment whose is better.
Yep. Oh!
Oh, such a good one. There's no way he's gonna top that. Yeah! He hit a split pea soup.
Ow!
Oh, he slipped. Bro's doing the triple XL gainer. Let's go.
Yeah, this is the move.
Unironically though, it actually does feel like I'm warmer with this on. Yeah. What's he doing this time? Oh! That was so funny. What do you call that one?
Gator melon.
All right, so right here where Parker is, there's an extremely deep hole. And Parker's gonna drop his phone and we have to go retrieve it.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
I hope I see that phone again.
We're gonna film it with the GoPro so you can see what we see. But it's a really small hole and it's really scary.
Whoa, this is miserable already.
What in the world? There he is, there he is. Is this your fault?
You didn't find my phone. I didn't find it. I literally just find that phone.
Find it. I couldn't find the phone. I can't find it.
No! It's really calm in there.
No way! Yeah, we got it!
Under the stick. I have a search.
No, wait, give it to me. Oh no! Oh no! There were a lot of cool features at the top of this waterfall, but now we're gonna head down to the bottom to do some even crazier things. To get to where we're jumping, we had to fashion this rope to the top so that we could climb up and do the jump. Rule number one of waterfalls, it's not a real waterfall until you touch it. Nobody told me we were gonna get wet.
Guys, I just remembered I'm scared of heights.
Oh, dude, get down quick then. Get down quick. This is how my parents walk to school every day. Oh no, I dropped my hat. I guess I have to go get it.
Yeah.
Dude, my hat just keeps falling. I guess I have to jump again. I have an idea using the bottom of that rope. Since the rope reaches like the flat wall, I think I can flip over and like face this way with the rope either between my legs or like maybe behind me. And then I should be able to like kind of bounce off the wall and like do a gainer off of it. I don't know if it's gonna work. I'm gonna have to like go up there and feel it out though.
What?
No way. The mixed grip.
No! We're about to swim over into that cave-like area where there's a really hard rock climb. I've done it before, but Christian hasn't done it yet. Got it. So that's the rock climb. So this is the part we're trying to climb up. It's really slippery and it's pretty technical. All right, just swimming in this suit, the current is already so much work. I can't even move forward. Dude, I gotta take the jacket off. Dude, the jacket's so heavy. Oh, getting there. Yeah. You got it. Reach up to the right. Let's go. I can't believe he got it. What? Let's go.
Just like that.
And now we get to jump off.
Sweet.
Hey guys. There you go. Yeah. So scoot your hands over a little, next to your hand, and then grab inside. Go. Ready? Yeah, I got this. You can do it by yourself. No, that's good though. Yeah, that's just great. Nice. Oh, almost overdid it.
All right, as you can see, it's starting to rain, so we don't want to get wet. We're gonna wrap it up and call it a day.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment if you want us to do more videos.